Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wistia account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an admin or a team member into your Wistia account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an admin or a team member into your Wistia anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different admins or virtual assistants, and you want to give them access to your Wistia projects. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wistia account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Wistia account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an admin or a team member, here on the top right, you're going to click on your company name. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Manage Team. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see all the admins and team members you have. However, to add a new admin, click on this blue button, Add Users. Okay, next you want to click on Add by Email. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and add an admin or a team member. Go ahead and just add in their name, and then you're going to enter in their email, and you're going to choose their role. So you can add them as a limited user, standard user, manager, or owner. If you need help defining those, just read the description below or go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. For me, I'm going to go ahead and add them as a manager, which is basically an admin. All right, once you do that, go ahead and click on this blue save button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see we've added another admin here to our Wistia account. So make sure that they check their email because they will need to accept that invitation. Once they do that, they're going to get access to my Wistia account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or a team member into your Wistia account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.